Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create AI avatar videos using HeyGen in 2026. So if you want to make faceless videos, talking presenters, or professional content without a camera, yeah, this beginner guide will help you step by step. First, go to the HeyGen website and sign into your account, so you can start with a free or paid plan depending on your needs. Next, click Create Video. This is where your AI avatar video begins. So yeah, select an AI avatar from the library. HeyGen offers realistic presenters in different styles, ages, and tones. Now paste your script into the text box. The avatar will automatically turn your text into speech. So yeah, choose a voice and language that fits your audience. You can even create multilingual videos for global reach. Next, customize your background, text, and layout. This helps make your video look more professional and branded. So yeah, add subtitles, captions, or visual elements. This improves engagement and viewer retention. Now click Generate. HeyGen will process your video and create your AI avatar automatically. Finally, preview your video and download it in HD, so you can upload it to YouTube, TikTok, or any social platform. And that's how to create AI avatar videos using HeyGen in 2026. Once you understand scripts, avatars, and customization, you can produce professional videos in minutes. If this guide helped you, feel free to check out more tutorials.